Hi everyone, it's Dylan here from the Fergus team. In this video, I'm going to show how stock on hand, purchase orders, and supplier documents work within a site visit. To track your costs, you will need to input data into Fergus relating to these. This could be materials purchased specifically for the job, any stock used from your warehouse, or any credits that have been issued on the job. Like we saw in the importing supplier documents video, you can import CSV or text files into Fergus using the supplier documents section along the top of the screen. Naturally, this is not the only way to do this. You can always enter your documents manually into site visits. The purchase order tab is where you can create a purchase that can be sent straight to your supplier. As soon as you select Add New Purchase Order, you will have several sections of information. First thing you will want to do is select the supplier you are ordering from. Once selected, this filters the products you can search for to the price book relating to that particular supplier. Next, you can specify whether you want the order for delivery, pickup, or if it is a price up document. Below that, Fergus will populate the reference with the job number and site visit you are working on. This will help assign the document to the correct job when you do an import. You can specify a contact for the purchase, as well as a date and time for the order to arrive. Also, if there are any specific delivery instructions to make sure any details around the site are communicated correctly. Lastly, there is the delivery address. Fergus will take the address for the site you have entered previously when you set this job up, but you can adjust this if need be. The last step is to list out all the products you need. If you have created favorites, you can import these to get a set of products onto the order, for example, all the components relating to a hot water cylinder. Once you've finished populating your document, you have a few options. You can download the document as a CSV if your supplier needs it in that format. You can save the document to come back later, or lastly, you can email the supplier directly from Fergus. Most commonly, an invoice or credit to come will be entered to be reconciled against an imported document of the same type in the Supplier Documents tab. However, you can add received invoices and credits from here. And finally, we have the Stock on Hand tab. This is where you can record products used on the job that might have come from your own warehouse stock, for example. Below this, there is the Unused Stock area. This is automatically populated if you make any changes to the amount of stock used from a supplier document, in the case you didn't need as many of that item, for example. These tools ensure that all the material costs are accounted for, so when you go to invoice, you can pull this information directly onto it. Thanks for watching our video. If you have any questions, please get in touch via support@fergus.com.